Hey everybody, this is Josh Ezell with Breakthrough Real Estate and Property Management. Hope you're having a great day. I'm standing here in front of the gorgeous 28927 North 124th Drive. Now this is a beautiful home in Vistancia nonetheless. Might as well have been a model. The owners have taken such beautiful care of it. Let's go ahead and go inside. As we walk in, you're immediately struck by the updated paint, fixtures, the open floor plan, the dual sliders. This is such an amazing home. Let's go ahead and go over to the kitchen. The archways with the breakfast bar. Perfect for every morning, having breakfast or your coffee. There's gas appliances. Beautiful backsplash. Granite countertops with gorgeous cabinets. You totally picture yourself living here. Look at this. Now, one of the best features about this floor plan are the dual sliders. When they're open, forgive the weather, it's a little chilly today. When they're open, you have a seamless indoor-outdoor space. Whether it's entertaining or just taking advantage of the Arizona weather, this is just perfect. Conveniently, right off the garage in the kitchen is the downstairs water closet. All right, let's go ahead and head upstairs. This is where the 4 bedrooms are located. To the right is the master. Beautiful master, great open, lots of windows. Balcony, seating area, and dual closets. There's number 1, nice size walk-in. Pan over. There's walk-in number 2. The details, like the archways throughout the home, are beautiful. Dual sinks. Shows better than most models do. Upstairs laundry, so convenient. Saves you so many trips up and down the stairs. And that adds up over time. As we head to the other side of the landing, here's the guest bedroom number 1, which is currently occupied. To the left, hello, you have bathroom. I guess if you're keeping track, this would be number 2.5. Beautiful cabinets. Paint. Now what's nice about this is that right here at the end of the hallway, you have bedroom number 3. Great, nice sized bedrooms. And bedroom number 4. The great thing about bedroom number 4, right here, hidden behind the door, is a surprise. A full bathroom. So if you're keeping track, that does make this a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath home. And this is beautiful. This is Josh Ezell with Breakthrough Real Estate and Property Management. If you have any questions or would like more information, give me a call, 602-821-7460. Thank you. Talk to you soon.